I welcome everyone on board, both my new viewers and my returning subscribers. I'm really happy to have you here today. First of all, let me wish you a happy Boxing Day, a Merry Christmas, and an early Happy New Year to you and your family. I truly appreciate every single person that takes time to watch my content. But let me honestly say this from my heart. A lot of people watch these videos, learn from them, and leave without subscribing. If you genuinely enjoy this kind of real-life practical business content, please help me by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. It doesn't cost you anything, my brothers and my sisters, but it means a lot to me, and it really encourages me to keep sharing more useful lessons like this. We are very close to 1,000 subscribers, and with your support, we can get there together. So please subscribe, like, and share this video with everyone who needs it. Now let's go into today's topic. So on December 16th, I reached out to one of my students in Abuja. He underwent a medicated soap training with me, and I actually did both the label, a lot of technical things that we had to put in place for him to kick off his medicated soap line. So I had to reach out to him. That's how I do. I don't leave my students alone in the this unfavorable market. I used to like to follow up on them. Even if they fail to call on me, I will still reach out on my own. So I was not like, yeah, good evening, sir, how is it going? So he replied me saying, my bro, good morning. It hasn't been easy, but we are moving. How are you too? I bless God. Then he said, selling has been so difficult, I almost gave up. I told him I can relate, sir. So what exactly is the marketing like? Let me see if I can help out. So he replied, so sorry for the late reply, sir. I had a busy week of burial ceremony preparation. Most shops rejected the soap. Few collected, but the market is not moving. Yes, this is the reason I want to make this. Today's video will be centered around marketing. Do you get? So the topic of this video will be how to sell your handmade product in Nigeria. A real marketing that works. If you are producing soap, cream, balm, detergent, or any house-made products and you are struggling to sell, this video is for you. The problem is not your product. The problem is where and how you are selling it. Today, I want to show you real marketing strategies that works in Nigeria. Not theory, not motivation, real life. Stop selling homemade products to the wrong people. Let me tell you the truth many people won't tell you. If you are producing soap, cream, balm, detergent, or handmade products and it is not selling, the problem is not your product. The problem is where you are selling it. This mistake has frustrated more beginners than bad formulations. Today, I want to show you where homemade products actually sell in Nigeria, why provision stores will frustrate you, and the fastest way beginners move products in real life. No theory, no big grammar, street truth. Let me say this clearly. The mistake is not the product, it is the market. If you sell to the wrong people, even the best soap will die. If you sell to the right people, even a small product will move. If you are producing soap, cream, balm, medicated products, and the first place you are running to is provision stores, supermarkets, roadside shops, then you are already preparing for frustration. Why? Because these shops Sell established brands. Avoid unknown products. They prefer drop and sell consignment. They delay payment, give excuses, even damage products and tell lies. Let me tell you the truth. 90% will reject you. 8% will frustrate you. Only 2% will likely pay you. And I need to clarify something. If you are selling chin-chin or producing chin-chin, plantain chips, potato chips, bottled granules, yes, provision stores will buy. But medicated soap, cream, balm, herbal and homemade products are different. So don't confuse categories. As a beginner, you don't have brand power yet. So stop forcing it. Why provision stores, formerly known as Omoyibo shops, are not your target? They don't want to risk shelf space, don't want to educate customers, they don't push new products, they pay only after sales. They are not wicked, your product just doesn't fit their system. The real market for homemade products are special markets for Nigerian. There is a special market for Nigerian made products, especially medicated soap, cream, balm, herbal products. These people don't have fancy name. You know them by what they sell. Article sellers, local product dealers, upcoming product marketers, herbal and alternative product traders. They sell new homemade products, Nigerian products, Ghana products, ashetu, roots and herb, local brand soap wrapped in thick brown paper. These are your real market people. So where can you find them? Let me make it very practical. Like I stay in Lagos. Here in Lagos, if you go to Lagos Island, there is where they call Iworokan. You will get them there. When you get to Oshodi, another location is in Oshodi. There is a place they call Ile Magi. You will get them there. Then in Mushin, they are there. In Trade Fair Complex, they are there. In Sangota, they are there. Why these places? Because they understand trial products. They are used to unknown brands. They buy small but consistently. Some pay outright, not consignment. Why are they better for beginners? It's because they already have customers that want new things. They understand medicated and homemade goods. They don't need big branding. They help your product spread naturally. How to approach them? Go with small quantity, proper label, name, use, phone number, clear pricing. Be honest, I'm a small producer testing the market. Ask what sells fast. Build relationship, not argument. Production is not the hardest part. Marketing is. The second strategy is direct sales, hawking or merchandising. Let me clear something now. Direct sales is not shameful. In fact, if you are ashamed to sell your own products, don't expect anybody to respect it. What is direct sales? Call it anything you like: hawking, merchandising, canvassing, street to street, office to office, market to market. It is all the same thing. People think it is for poor people. People will laugh at you. It reduces product value. This is a lie. Even big brands do it. Banks do it, street activation. Or have you not seen them? Peak Milk, as old as the brand is, they still do it. 3 Crown still do it. Detergent brands, tomato paste companies, beverage companies, they all do this. You can see them on a daily basis on the streets. Or can't you see them? They are on TV, they are on radio, they are on social media, yet they still sell directly. If big brands still hawk, who are you not to hawk? Why direct sales works for beginners? It includes cash and carry, daily income, no debt, no consignment stress, You control your product story. You get direct feedback. This is the fastest way to understand your market. Here is a real breakdown. For example, if you target 15,000 naira per day, 10 days you are scooping in 150,000. In 20 days, that is 300,000. In 30 days, that is 450,000. Do this for 3 months. You won't believe how far you have gone. You are not reselling another person's product. You are selling what you created. Hawking is market penetration, brand awareness, customer education, product testing. No product grows in silence. By God's grace, I have worked as a factory manager in a tomato company. I have also worked as a production supervisor in another tomato company and beverage companies that produces carbonated drinks, juice, table water, and all whatnot. I wouldn't want to mention the name of the factories here or the companies here, but if you go to LinkedIn and you Google my name, you will see my profile. What happens in real factories? Production continues, especially when there is no downtime, when all the machines are highly efficient. What will follow is that the warehouse will be filled up of finished goods. And when you see that there is low sales, cash flow tightens, then production is paused. The staffs are told to be converted to marketing or marketing department. All production staffs, all supervisors, managers, including me, we are all turned into marketing staff so that we can sell off what we have in the store. Why? Because stock in warehouse is dead money. Sales convert stock to cash. Cash keeps a company alive. So if big factories can pause production to sell, why will a small producer be ashamed to sell his own product? Direct sale is not failure. It is not poverty. It is neither shame. It is survival. It is cash flow and growth. You go out in the morning, you come back in the evening. Cash is in your pocket. No credit, no story, no come tomorrow. Cash at hand has no story. Do you understand? You can build a sales force. If you have capital, you can hire 1 to 15 people, young, active, street smart. Train them on product use, what to say, how to approach people. Use a fuel-efficient minibus. Drop them in different areas. You may have a speaker on it that you will do a jingle that will be advertising the product that you are selling. Pick them up later. Try it 1 week, 1 month, 3 to 6 months. Storm the streets and watch the money move. Real products that started this way include Oroki, if you are hearing it, herbal bitters, medicated soaps, balm, ori, shea butter, black soaps in cups. They did not start from supermarkets. They start from the street. When people finish using your product and carry the empty containers to the market in search for it, asking for it, you have won. Because that is always the normal routine. When you bomb a particular area time and time again, you will find out that the people that purchase it from you, after using it and they did not see you, they will take those empty containers with your label into the market and be searching for that product. We also have things like market day activation, very practical. Like in the Igbo land, we have 4 market days: Nkwo, Oria, Aho, Eke. You know, these markets, you alternate them. Do you understand? Like in Lagos here, we also have some markets that have a special day, a specific day that they have been activated. But you can still go to daily markets and repeat the sales there. How to do it? Enter the market. Don't chase shop owners first. Sell to buyers. Sell one-on-one to the people that came into the market. Repeat same market 3 to 5 times. Market adversion is repetition, not one visit. What happens next? The magic. People start asking. Word spreads. Traders noticed. Wholesalers gain confidence. Wholesalers don't fear your product. They fear their money getting stuck. You don't beg your way in. You activate your way in. Online sales option, not must. Let me be honest. Online sales has not worked for me. Ads are expensive, conversion is low, logistics stress, Nigerians are price sensitive. I cannot continue to spend money looking for money. Direct sales, cash at hand, daily income, low cost. Online, capital intensive, delayed returns. Online sales is good, but hunger is not digital. The final truth. If you want to know where homemade product sells in your region, don't start from shops. Start from the people hawking. Observe them. Call them aside. Be humble and ask them where they buy from. Tell them that you are a producer and you are starting new, that you want to locate where they buy from so that you can go there and supply them. Do you understand? They will always tell you. They may even want to take you there by themselves. Ask people that you see that are selling inside the bus. Ask people around where they buy those type of medicated creams that are not common everywhere. This market is their market. They have a market for it. The market will always show you where it is if you are humble enough. All right, my people, we have reached the end of this video. If this content helped you, if it opened your eyes, if you learned one or two things about how to market your product as a beginner, please don't just watch and go. Click the like button, subscribe to this channel, share this video with someone that is struggling to sell what they produce. Many people enjoy the content, but they forget to subscribe. Please help us grow this family. Let's push this channel to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. If you want more of this kind of real practical teaching, not theory, not motivation, but what actually works in Nigeria and beyond, then you need to stay connected. Also, for those of you that want to go deeper, I run trainings on different products, soaps, making, skincare, detergents, and all whatnot, house care and body care products, and other small-scale production businesses. These trainings are designed to help you move from struggling to stability and from stability to profitable financial freedom. All the details are in the description below. Reach out, ask questions, and take action. Until next time, keep pushing, keep producing, and keep selling. This is Dozier Nzeka from Moneyway TV, where we turn knowledge into money.